The Magic Report is FinOptimal's way of giving you the ability to query any data set from QuickBooks and pull it into a spreadsheet. As an example, I've got this data set in front of me, and it's flowing right now into this spreadsheet. And right now, this is just a report. So what you're looking at is view only. But with Booker Unlimited, you can actually edit this data and push it back. More on that in separate videos. What I want to talk about today is the new fields that we've added. There are tons of different combinations that you can use, and now we're adding more. We're adding created at and updated at. So historically, of course, our users could use the report period to specify transactions within a certain date range, the date range of the transaction. But what about what day it was actually created or when it was last updated? Now you can get that too. We have created at and updated at as fields that you can add into the report. You can filter on them independently. So you can say, show me any transactions dated for last month that were created last week that were updated yesterday. And we will give you that exact slice of data in a spreadsheet for you to do whatever you want with it.